Are you ready to power up your business with the latest in UPS technology? Introducing Schneider Electric's Easy UPS 3-phase modular, a cost-optimized 50 to 250 kilowatt N+1 400 volt 3-phase UPS. Ideal for your small to medium-sized data centers and other business critical applications. Designed to deliver reliable, efficient, scalable, and sustainable power protection, we have now added lithium-ion batteries to the offer. Today, more than ever, companies are demanding 100% uptime and zero power outages for business-critical applications. And lithium-ion provides a multitude of benefits, being compact in size and more energy efficient. They have a 40 to 60% lower carbon footprint, longer lifespan, and reduced maintenance costs with higher TCO savings. And to support you in making the right choice for your business, Schneider Electric's lithium-ion versus VRLA trade-off tool can help you to determine what that TCO is. Have a robust 3-phase UPS design that allows you to add, replace, or remove power modules, optimizing operational efficiency and increasing the system's availability with no extra footprint. Have faster repairs and no scheduled downtime. And with seamless EcoStruxure connectivity for secure monitoring and remote management, you can future-proof your business with the Easy 3-phase modular UPS.